How's it going, everybody? You're watching Then About Tech, and today I'm going to show you how to improve noise cancelling on your AirPods. That's right, I'm going to show you how to actually how to make noise cancelling stronger on your AirPods so you can have a much better experience overall. So let's get started. As you probably already know, noise cancelling is a feature exclusive to the AirPods Pro 1 and 2 and the AirPods Max. So just these three models as of now, as of the recording of this video. And the first thing you need to do if you want to increase the quality, the strength of your noise cancelling is open up your lid and put your AirPods in your ears, okay? So go ahead, put them in your ears, and what you're gonna do right now actually requires iPhone. So make sure your AirPods are connected to your iPhone. As you can see, mine are right here. So it's connected, everything is working great. Then you're gonna go to your settings. You're gonna tap here on your AirPods right there. So tap on your AirPods, and then you're gonna actually scroll down, scroll quite a bit until you see ear tip fit test. And this is a very important thing. This is a relatively new feature, not really new, but relatively new. And a lot of AirPods users, especially the old ones, have actually never tested this out. So what you're gonna do right here is just go ahead and tap on this option and then continue. And what this feature will do is pretty much test if the seal on your AirPods are good. So if the tips you're wearing, because as you probably know, we have small, medium, and large tips. So if they're actually correct for you, and they create a good seal. And this is actually the first very important thing that you need to test, because if you don't have a good seal, you won't have good noise cancelling, okay? So go ahead here and tap on continue. Go ahead and test this on a quiet environment, and then tap on play. This, as you can see right here, is a very common result. As you can see, I have a good seal on my right ear, on my right earbuds, but on my left one, it's saying try a different ear tip or adjust, as you can see right there. So I'm gonna adjust right here and retry the process. So let me do it once again. And as you can see, after a slight adjust here on my left ear, it's good. It's a good seal on both. I didn't need to change or replace my ear tips or anything like that. And this is actually my recommendation. Go ahead and do this process and go ahead, adjust, make sure it's great. If you can't get a good seal, try a new, different, smaller or larger tip until you have a consistent good seal on both. As soon as you have that, you're good to go on this first step, and you're gonna make sure you have a great noise cancelling experience. The second thing you need to pay attention to has to do with cleaning. That's right, pay attention to the mesh right here on the outside and on the inside as well. So all of this black mesh right here is the area responsible on your AirPods of creating the noise cancelling and transparency mode as well. So make sure that this area, this whole mesh area with the microphones, they are pristine. They're clean and they don't have any kind of debris or earwax. And what you're gonna actually use to clean is just our famous old friend, the microfiber cloth. So what you're gonna do with this microfiber cloth is just damp it slightly. So put a little bit of water on it. Don't soak it wet, just a little bit of water, just a damp microfiber cloth, and then again gently clean it, okay? So this inside part, as you can see, and also the outside part as well. So I'm gonna do this on mine while you do it on yours. And trust me guys, this makes a huge difference, not only for your noise cancelling and transparency mode, but also for your bass. So after cleaning your AirPods Pro, you'll definitely see a difference on sound quality as well, and of course in your modes. Last but not least, we're gonna need our iPhone once again. So grab our iPhone, open up your settings, and then go ahead here and tap on your AirPods Pro dedicated section, and then you're gonna need to scroll down quite a bit, actually all the way down until we go to the About section, because we need to make sure that the AirPods firmware is updated. This is a very common thing as well. Sometimes your AirPods are just outdated and then you have bad noise cancelling because of that. So just like your iPhone, and I'm gonna talk about that in a second, your AirPods need to be updated as well. So go ahead here and check your version. So on mine, I'm on 5E135. 135. As you can see, that's the firmware version. And all you have to do to check if this is the most updated version is go to this website right here. I'm gonna have a link in the description. This is Apple website, as you can see. So about firmware updates for AirPods. And we're gonna scroll down just a bit until we get here to latest firmware version. And as you can see, those are the AirPods Pro first generation in my case, and that's 5V135 as you can see, which is the same as everything else. But as you can see right here, this is the latest one. Maybe when you're watching this video, there will be a new version, no problem, just make sure that those match. And if you're not really sure how to actually update your AirPods firmware, they update automatically every day, every night. They check for new versions as long as your AirPods are close to your iPhone and the iPhone is charging and connected to Wi-Fi. And then it's gonna automatically push the update. All right, and since we're talking about update, also make sure that your iPhone is updated to the latest version. So just your normal software update, go to general and then go to about or software update to be easier, and make sure if there is a new software available. I'm already running iOS 17. Right now, iOS 17.0 is up to date. So make sure that your iPhone is also updated to the latest version, just to make sure that it don't have any bugs or anything like that. And then following those tips, I guarantee you'll get the best experience on noise canceling on your AirPods. Okay, so that's it. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one as usual. Bye bye, guys.